Options Insight, 45 minutes till that closing bell, and want to get you up to speed with the day's options trading. And Abigail, the rally, it continues.
It really
4,000.
Yeah, 4,000 and beyond. Maybe we'll be talking about 5,000 soon. And to talk more about this bullish action, especially how it relates to the world of options, Christian Fromhertz of Tribeca Trade Group, thanks so much for joining us. And it really is pretty incredible. Stocks just keep climbing and climbing and climbing. And you think that that's going to continue, especially since we now have this little new mini rotation going on that started last week into tech, out of small cap and the banks.
Hey, Abigail, great to be here. Yeah, I mean, I think, March was a pretty overall frustrating month. The S&P was trading in a pretty tight range for about 3 weeks. So, we started to see hints of that breakout towards the end of last week, and we got follow through in the beginning of this week so far. So I like what I'm seeing. I like that we're out of that really weak seasonal period back in March. And, we continue to see these little under-the-hood rotations that are happening in different groups, even within sectors, too, as well.
Something interesting, though, Christian. Today we have the S&P 500, as we're mentioning, rallying in a big way. But we also have that VIX, or the quote-unquote fear index, higher. Sometimes that can signal something's off kilter. What do you make of this?
Yeah, it's a little peculiar today, but I would say as well, the S&P is moving fast. It's actually moving fast to the upside today. So, that volatility can work in both ways. We did really see a VIX collapse at the end of last week, finally below 20. So, we're at 18 right now. I think as long as we stay under 20, I think that's a positive sign, despite the little bit of an uptick today.
A positive sign that stocks will keep on going higher. Again, we might be talking about that 5,000 not so long from now. Christian, and relative to trade, you like some of the old school names more so, dividend, value. So talk to us about your trading idea on Broadcom.
Yeah, I think Broadcom and what I'm looking at is to an ETF called TDIV, which is Tech Dividends, which has been breaking out. So it really depends on the area of tech that you're looking at. I think some tech looks very good, and I think more of the high multiple stuff, may continue to lag a little bit. And I really like the technicals right now in Broadcom and in the semi group overall. So, a quick, easy trade, looking for that breakout in Broadcom, another semiconductor, would be the April 490 500 call spread, just a $10 wide call spread that you can get in for under $4, right around $3.50.
Well, Christian, it will certainly be interesting to throw earnings season into this mix soon, but right now it really does seem risk on as investors and traders such as yourself, well, I don't know that you're buying stocks for sure, but investors overall are buying stocks. Christian Fromhertz of Tribeca Trading Group, thanks so much for joining us for Options Insight as always. And from New York, this is Bloomberg.